Once, a parrot named Charlie lived in a pet shop and loved to mimic everything he heard. One day, a grumpy old man walked in muttering, "I hate Mondays." Charlie instantly picked it up. The next customer was a cheerful woman who exclaimed, "Life is beautiful." Charlie repeated that too. Later, the shop owner brought his dog, and it barked loudly. Charlie, feeling inspired, started barking like a dog. Confused customers stared, wondering why the parrot barked. The owner sighed, "Great, now I have a dog parrot." To which Charlie squawked,